Welcome to this Sherman Tech Tip on how to screencast an iPad to an iMac and for use on a Teams meeting. You want to make sure that you have your MacBook, iPad, lightning cable, or charging cable in order to do this. Also, as we look through these videos, it is kind of choppy and I do apologize for that. Once they are all connected together, you're going to go to your Finder, which is in the bottom left. Then you're going to go to Locations. Mine is just labeled Keep, and you want to make sure to trust the iPad. You'll also need to go to your iPad and follow the prompts on it so that they can connect with each other. Once that is done, it'll walk you through a couple other small things. Once it is connected, on your keyboard you can click Command-Shift to bring up the search bar. Start typing in Quicktime. It'll open up here. You're going to go up to File, New Movie Recording. In the center, or actually you're going to want to make sure to allow use of the camera and the microphone. In the center, next to the record button, there's a little arrow down that you are going to click on. Make sure to select the name of your iPad. Once it connects, you will be able to see your iPad on your MacBook screen. And any move you do on your iPad will show up as well. You can open up the apps. It'll show up just like it would as if you were on your iPad so that you can show. You're able to use your iPad, still have it show up on your MacBook. You can use this to record your screen or share your screen as well. The main reason to show you this is that when you're in Teams and you do a Teams meeting, you're actually able to use that same process to share your iPad screen with your class, with a colleague, whatever you may need to do. Once you're in the meeting, you're going to click on the share button, and this part is really important to allow the permissions. So go through, follow the prompts, and just allow the security settings to show your screen. After you click the lock, you'll put in your password. Make sure to click the box next to Microsoft Teams. It's going to tell you to restart Teams in order to do this properly. Once you relaunch Teams, you do the same process as we've done before. Once you get connected to the meeting, you're going to click on the share button again, and then you're going to go down to the one that says movie recording, which will then connect to your Quicktime, which is showing your iPad. Again, what makes this feature really cool is that you're able to open up your apps, the same apps that we had before, do the exact same things with their iPads, and the students and other people can see your iPad without having to go back and forth. One last little thought on this. One of the reasons why I wanted to share this out is you could technically do a Teams meeting on both your MacBook and your iPad, but then you're dealing with two different mics, two different sounds. It could get really confusing. So this is just a way to kind of make it simpler in a way to have everything just going through one computer. That is it for this Sherman Tech Tip. If you have any additional questions, please contact your child's teacher and we will help the best we can. Please be sure to check out our website, our Facebook page, Twitter feed, and Instagram for any additional announcements. And remember, it's great to be a Gator.